Hello. Today I want to talk about how to make a compression spring at home for humans who have access to a 3D printer. In an upcoming project, I'm going to use compression springs, and I wanted to share how I made them myself. Of course, you can buy springs, but I didn't know the exact length, and so buying them was not so easy. Or I thought I'm unhappy with the selection from the hardware store, and if I order something from a specialist and then maybe I have the wrong things, I have to send it back and it will take forever. So why not make my own? For this, I made a design where I'll actually upload a FreeCAD file, so you can adjust the diameter to what you need. I will bend a spring steel that is 0.8 millimeter, which is already quite hard to bend by hand. And so I have to say it's not for children, and you might want to wear goggles, and you need to know that you might cut your hands. So this is risky. However, you'll 3D print this thing. Like I said, you'll find a file in the description box, and if you need a different diameter, you can just adjust it in the spreadsheet of the FreeCAD file. And I printed it with 75% infill. I would suggest doing that because you will apply quite a lot of force. Anyway, it worked for me several times, so I hope it's going to work again today. Yeah, with PLA. So it's not special shit, it's just PLA and 75% infill. Yes, let's go. So, one of the ends of your steel piece is going to go through the loop. Let's say. So you can do it, yes, like this. So it's going to go through the hole. And then you'll just turn the handle with one side and hold the steel with the other hand. Like that. This takes a while. You can try various techniques like this. However, make sure that you always stay in a line, because once you leave it, you have to start over again. It's really unfortunate once you have a mistake. Basically, you have to start over. Yeah. So this may take a while. Here I'm using steel pieces that are 1 meter long, which fits with the plastic design thingy I made. It's not easy. Also, maybe I should have made a longer one, because once I'm here it starts to get hard. But I'm almost done anyway. So the tricky part is deciding when you want to let go of it. And I think it's... Okay, now it looks like this. And I think I cannot bend it further because the end is too short. And I will just drop it and look to the other side to be safe with my eyes. Pick it up. You have something like that. And basically cut it on that end. And remove it, and you have a steer spring. Yay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to sharing projects where I use them.